Hey, this is Brian. Thanks for watching Kies. In today's video, I'm going to show you step-by-step how to install MST intakes on an F90 M5 to give your car more power and better sound. Now, the first part of this process is we need to remove the factory intake. So to do that, what we need to do is begin with these plastic covers over here. There are a series of these little pins. All you need to do, you can do this even with a flathead screwdriver. You just pull out the middle and then the rest of it should come out just like that. At this time, remove that one, this one over here, and then this piece lifts up, and then do the exact same thing on the other side. Next, what we're going to do is remove the bolts that hold in the support brace. There's a 16 down here and an 18 back here. So at this time, let's remove them. Next, using a slotted driver, you're going to release this hose clamp over here. Then this is going to slide off just like this, and this entire piece will just come straight up. And then do the exact same thing on the other side. Now that we have the factory intake removed, we are ready to install our MST intake. If you take a look at the table, this is the orientation that everything is going to go in. The larger heat shield is going to go on the passenger side, the shorter on the driver's side. When it comes to the silicone hoses, one is a little bit longer than the other. When you install it, you want to basically have it so that the MST logo looks like this. And the shorter one is going to go on the passenger side, the longer one on the driver's side. So with that, let's show you how to install it on the car. All right, we're going to start with the silicone hose. Before you install it, make sure to put your hose clamps on and make sure that this bolt head is easily accessible. You don't accidentally want to put it facing down or anything like that. So then you can just take this and it'll slide right on like that. Then you can take your OEM brace. If you get confused which is which, if you look right there, this one says left, the other one says right. The left hand is always the driver's side in the US. Okay, so then you take this and you pop the silicone through and start to line everything up just like that. Next, what you can do is lower your heat shield in and start to get everything lined up. Okay, so that'll go just like that. Then take your metal adapter, and this is going to get installed into the silicone hose. Okay, so I'm just gonna push this in like that. Then to line everything up, we're going to reinstall our 16mm bolt. We're just gonna leave it loose for now. Then we'll install the upper 18mm bolt. Next, we're going to install our intake filter. I always like to take this little silver piece and face that down. And then again, make sure that you have this in a location that you can get to it easily. So at this time, you can tighten up all the hose clamps. All right, the 16mm bolt now can get torqued down to 28 Newton meters. And then once you snug it up at 28, then you're going to turn it an additional 90 degrees. And then for the 18mm, it's 56 Newton meters and then an additional 90. So then once you're done this side, do the exact same thing on the passenger side. All right, last thing we have to do is install our trim covers, and then we're done. All right, everything is fully installed. Let's start it up and see how these intakes sound. As you just heard, these intakes sound incredible, they look incredible, and your car can look and sound like that too. We have links to all the products and tools we use in today's video, in addition to other videos on other projects we've done on this car that hopefully will help you out as well. If you like our videos, give us a thumbs up, make sure to subscribe. Thanks so much for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.